how to do smoky eyes perfectly with simple and easy steps. So first step is take your kajal and then start applying a line like this. Then quickly take your pencil brush and diffuse this line before it gets dried. Once it has become like this, then what you have to do is take a black color eyeshadow and then just intensify the color like this. So the second step will be we are going to add a brown color to give gradation to a black color and also blend a black color. So just make sure we have blended a brown with black color like this. So there is no line is being created in between your black and brown. Then third step will be we are going to add a light orange to make sure a brown is also blended to it. Or you can just take a skin color eyeshadow powder or just in case any line has been created to diffuse it. So all together it should be blended like this. So when you look, you should not find any lines. So that's all. Easy and simple smoky eyes. Look down, smoke. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Kindly do like, share, comment, save this video for future reference. Bye bye Winsome family. Here is your Lakshmi Kannan.
Anritika.
Signing off.